And I think that was one thing that was so impressive. You know, they had lit the pallets, they were going for a little bit, but really when they kicked up those winds, that's when the heat just blasted us. Like you could tell like it went from, you know, this level all the way up to this level. Like it was amazing to see that difference.
Just as we were standing here continuing to watch the fire burn, we watched this one section of the first structure fall off and blow in the wind and just scoot to the base of the second structure. So we are watching anxiously to see if that will be the moment that the second structure catches fire, thanks to the wind carrying that from one building to the next. You can actually see a second piece now blowing in between the two structures. Again, the fans here at IBHS cranking out of their wind tunnel at about 35 miles an hour to simulate what is a very real and very scary experience during wildfire season in so much of the country.